Hi, I'm Star, and welcome to Starlight Starbite 70. I just want to do a really quick video. I have been working on my Noah's Ark for Edibles 26. It's an event that's going on right now, and anyone can participate in it. Anything to do with animals, anything to do with nature, could be buildings. Please, would love to have you as part of the team. And at the end of the month, uh, I ask everyone to hand in their projects, whatever they have worked on. Even if you haven't finished it, you can still uh, show me a picture. I put it all into a little video, and then at the end of the video, there is I call it a blessing box. Anyone can enter as long as in the United States here, I do blessing boxes, and if you're out of state, then I can do an Amazon gift card or some other way if you have a way of me giving you a little gift. And that's just to thank you for participating. But here it is. I have done these colors are beautiful. This painting does come from Diamond Art Club. It is just called Noah's Ark, and it is absolutely beautiful. Love the colors. I'm trying to get rid of this, and it's not. Oh, that's why. Hold on. There we go. I was hitting my keyboard. All right. Absolutely beautiful. Love the colors so far. Love the sparkle. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that spark on here. Love the details. And so I've done probably about one, two, three. Like these ones were like kind of like a half a square. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I have done 7 squares with the little halves here. So there's my pixie. So absolutely a joy to work on. I have been enjoying that. I cannot wait to get to the elephant. I love elephants, and it's a beautiful reminder, uh, the story in the Bible of Noah and the ark. Noah is not on this picture, just animals. He's probably still in the ark. Not sure. But don't you love how all the animals are getting along? Look at that. That's how it's going to be. That is how it's going to be. The lion will sleep with the lamb. Can you imagine that? What a day that will be. All right. So I've been working on that. And here is my next little project I'm going to be starting on. Now, Joan has finished this. And the Southern Belle and I, yes, Georgia Peach and I still have to work on it. Now, this was for last month's Bigfoot event, but we have not given up. No, we haven't. So we got to gear this thing up. Oh dear. Does anyone want to come and do this for me? Oh dear. How many colors does this thing have? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm going to have to flatten it overnight. It does have a fold in it. I should have flattened it out sooner. But it is Mr. Bigfoot. Joan says her Bigfoot is checking the stock markets. This Bigfoot is watching YouTube and trying to figure it all out. He wants his video to go viral. That's what he wants. The Bigfoot viral video. Anyway, it has 22 colors. Oh dear, 22 colors. Anyway, I have watched Joan work on it, and actually he turns out really nice. So yes, I gotta kit her up. And these are 22 colors. They're going to be going into these little baggies here. And I'm going to have to try to have it done for tomorrow's live with Sherry in the afternoon. So I will work on kitting that up and getting it ready for Sherry's live tomorrow. And that is what I'll be working on. I will put my Noah away, my Noah's Ark to the side for tomorrow and work on this. If you missed my live earlier today, I have been busy. I was busy the last couple days doing some little extra crafts. And I made these beautiful pens here. And they are just regular writing pens. Oops. And then on the other side is diamond pens. This one is needs to be fixed. We talked about today on my live how we're going to fix that, so I'm going to try to fix that. But here they are. And they are just made with paper and then I put some diamonds around them to make them a little bit more fancy looking. And it's already got cat hair on them. That's what you get in my house. Fur. Fur, fur. So there they are. And I just want to say thank you, Teza, for giving the idea on them. And this is my new favorite hobby now, is making these pens and making beads and paper crafting. And my next adventure is a journal. So anyway, this is for tomorrow. I hope you all have a very blessed night or day wherever you may be. God's richest blessings. I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more.